Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative LK YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off real-time protection in Windows 11. Real-time protection is an essential feature of Windows Defender that helps protect your computer from malware and other security threats. However, you may need to disable it temporarily to install some software or perform certain tasks. In this video I will guide you through the process, step by step, to turn off real-time protection in Windows 11. Click on Start menu icon. And then click on Settings icon. In Settings window, click on Privacy and Security on the left-hand menu. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. A new window, Windows Security, will appear under Virus and Threat Protection settings. Click on Manage Settings. Now toggle off the real-time protection option by clicking on it. So click on it. Real-time protection is off, leaving your device vulnerable. That's it. You have successfully turned off real-time protection in Windows 11. However, it's recommended to turn it back on as soon as you finish the task that required it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.